spirit of Ramadan, Pashmina House extends warm greetings to all. May this holy month bring peace, joy, and blessings to your heart and home. As we fast and pray, let us remember the less fortunate and share our blessings. Ramadan is a time for reflection, gratitude, and spiritual growth. Let kindness and compassion guide our actions during this sacred month. Pashmina House wishes you and your loved ones a blessed Ramadan filled with love. May the spirit of Ramadan illuminate your path and bring you closer to Allah. In these special days, let us seek forgiveness and strive for inner peace. Pashmina House stands with you in unity and harmony during this blessed month. May your Ramadan be filled with blessings, prayers, and moments of serenity.